of people delay starting their LLC because they think they need everything figured out first. The logo, the website, the business cards, the branding, really just all of it. But honestly, most people do not need perfection. They just need a system that helps them get started without feeling completely overwhelmed. That's why in today's video, I'm going to compare Tailor Brands and ZenBusiness to help you figure out which LLC formation service actually makes more sense for beginners, side hustlers, and online business owners. Because while both platforms can absolutely get your LLC filed, they're built for very different types of entrepreneurs. One is much more focused on helping you launch a complete business identity from scratch. The other is much more focused on compliance, organization, and managing your LLC long term. If you pick the wrong platform, you either end up paying for features you'll never use or just missing tools that could have saved you a lot of time later. So by the end of this video, you will have a very clear idea of which one actually fits where you're at right now in your business journey. So let's get into it. Before we compare the platforms directly, let's quickly talk about why an LLC matters in the first place, because a lot of people still wait too long to form one. An LLC, or limited liability company, helps separate your personal assets from your business. That means if something does go wrong with your business financially or legally, there's more protection between your personal life and the business itself. Now, obviously, every situation is different and this isn't legal advice, but generally speaking, LLCs are one of the first major steps people take when they start making consistent money from a side hustle or business. It's not just about liability protection either. Having an LLC also makes you look more legitimate professionally. It's easier to open a business bank account, invoice clients, sign contracts, work with brands, and structure things more seriously once the business officially exists. A lot of people think LLCs are only for giant companies, but honestly, some of the people who benefit most are people like freelancers, creators, coaches, consultants, and of course, side hustlers earning consistent income independently. Now, let's go ahead and start with Tailor Brands, because this platform is pretty different from most LLC services. Tailor Brands originally started more as a branding company. They focus on logo creation, websites, visual identity, business cards, and just helping entrepreneurs create an actual business presence online. Then they actually expanded into LLC formation. That background changes the entire feel of the platform, because when you use Tailor Brands, the experience feels more centered around launching a business identity, not just filing paperwork. For example, instead of only asking for your filing information, the platform also pushes into branding tools, logos, website builders, social media assets, and visual business setup. That's actually a pretty unique angle in the LLC world. Most LLC services are purely operational, but Tailor Brands feels more like start your business and look professional immediately. And for a certain type of entrepreneur, that's incredibly valuable, especially beginners who are starting from completely scratch. One thing I think Tailor Brand really does understand well is how overwhelming starting a business can feel for newer entrepreneurs. When people launch something new, they're often trying to figure out their LLC, their logo, their domain name, their website, business cards, social media graphics, brand colors, email setups, and 50 other things at the same time. And that's why Tailor Brands appeals heavily to that side hustler and beginner who wants everything centralized in one ecosystem. Instead of opening 10 different tabs and subscriptions, try to build a business piece by piece. The platform bundles a lot of those early stage tools together. Now, obviously, if you already have strong branding skills or very specific design preferences, you may not care about logo generators or built-in templates. But for someone who just wants to launch quickly and look professional without hiring designers immediately, Tailor Brands honestly compresses a lot of complexity into one single place. And if you want to explore their setup process for it yourself, the link is down in the description below, and you can go ahead and see how the platform works firsthand. To form your LLC with Tailor Brands, all you have to do is go ahead and put in your state, and then you can get started. I'll go over what the pricing looks like here in a little bit. Now let's talk about ZenBusiness, because this platform approaches LLC formation pretty differently. ZenBusiness is much more operationally focused. The company has helped form hundreds of thousands of businesses, and their core strength honestly is simplicity and compliance management. The dashboard is super clean, the filing process is straightforward, and the system feels heavily optimized around helping business owners stay organized long term. This is one of the reasons ZenBusiness gets recommended so often for first-time entrepreneurs. The platform does a really good job reducing admin overwhelm, and honestly, once your LLC is formed, that ongoing management side matters way more than people actually realize, because forming the LLC is just step one. It's just the beginning. After formation, you still have annual reports, state renewals, registered agent requirements, tax organization, compliance deadlines, and other responsibilities to manage. And this is where ZenBusiness feels extremely strong. ZenBusiness wins on compliance, and that's because one of the biggest advantages is its compliance dashboard. This actually gets overlooked in a lot of comparison videos. People obsess over filing costs, but forget that the business still has to stay compliant afterward. ZenBusiness really just helps automate automate reminders around annual reports, deadlines, and ongoing state requirements. That matters a lot for busy entrepreneurs, especially people balancing side hustles along full-time jobs. The less mental energy you have to spend remembering deadlines manually, the lower the chance of accidentally missing something important later on. And this is honestly where ZenBusiness feels a lot more mature operationally than many competitors. The platform feels built around long-term LLC management rather than just the excitement of initial formation. If you already have your branding sorted out and mainly want your LLC formed cleanly with strong compliance support afterwards, ZenBusiness becomes a really attractive option. And again, if you want to go ahead and see how ZenBusiness works and if it fits with your workflow, we do have a link down below. Pretty similar. Once you click that link, you can just click Get Started. You'll just go ahead and select your state, and then you'll answer a couple of questions. It's really, really easy. They walk you through it step by step. At the end of the day, the biggest difference between these companies is honestly pretty simple. Tailor Brands is definitely a more branding focused approach. ZenBusiness is operations first. That's really the easiest way to think about it. Tailor Brands asks, how can we help this person launch a business identity? ZenBusiness asks, how do we help this person manage their LLC efficiently long term? Neither approach is wrong. They're just solving different problems. This is why the better platform depends heavily on the stage of business that you're actually at right now. Now, if we want to think in terms of side hustlers specifically, I actually think this comparison becomes really interesting because side hustlers usually fall into one of two categories. The first type is someone starting completely from zero. No logo, no website, no brand identity, no established systems yet. That person definitely may benefit a lot from Tailor Brands because it just helps reduce the number of moving pieces during launch. The second type is someone already making money consistently who simply delayed forming the LLC. Maybe they already have an Instagram page, clients, a website, or a business identity. That person may honestly get much more value from ZenBusiness because they no longer need branding help. They need organization and compliance help. This is where I think people accidentally choose the wrong platform. They choose based on hype instead of choosing based on the actual problem that you're trying to solve. Another thing people really need to pay attention to is registered agent pricing. So a registered agent receives official legal and state documents on behalf of your business. Most states require one. Now some platforms include it free initially while others charge separately later. This matters more long term than people realize because many LLC services make their money through renewals and ongoing subscriptions after the first year. So when comparing platforms, don't just look at the initial $0 plus state fees headline, look at the renewal structure as well because over multiple years, those ongoing costs matter much more than saving $20 upfront during formation. Another thing almost nobody explains properly is the BOI report requirement. As of 2024, most newly formed LLCs are required to file a beneficial ownership information report with FinCEN, ownership information report. This is a federal filing requirement separate from your LLC formation itself. The report generally needs to be filed within the recommended deadline after formation, and missing it can potentially create serious penalties. So regardless of whether you choose Tailor Brands or ZenBusiness, make sure you understand the BOI filing requirement separately as well. Okay, now in terms of pricing, again, if you click the link down below, we'll start off with ZenBusiness. If you scroll down, you can see the different options. So the starter plan is $0 plus state fees, standard 7 to 10 processing, 100% guaranteed. A special starter offer is 30-day special of domain, email, and website. Then they've got the pro plan, which is $199 plus state fees. Basically, you get 1-day processing, ongoing filing compliance, EIN, operating agreement, and then a business logo builder as well. Then for the premium plan, it's $399, and each of these you do have to pay the state fee as well, so that's not included. Then you get everything in the pro plan, but you get advanced compliance coverage, business document library, business advisor consultation, and more. Okay, so again, it depends on what you actually need, but if anything, if you haven't filed yet, I would definitely recommend at least doing the free plan because that way you know it's 100% accurate. Then we've got Tailor Brands, so they've got a couple different options here. Again, kind of same where it's like the $0, the LLC formation, but with this you actually get invoicing and bookkeeping and then business coaching program. Then the essential plan is $199 per year plus state fees. So with this you get a $30 Amazon gift card, LLC formation, legal compliance, 1-day expedited processing, and more. And lastly is the Elite, which is $249 per year plus state fees. You get everything in the essentials plan, but you get domain, website, and business coaching program as well. So again, choose the plan that best fits your needs. As you can see, Tailor Brands is pretty similar, but their Elite plan is a little bit cheaper than the ZenBusiness premium plan. But their starter and pro is again pretty similar, just really depends on what you really need with where you're at in business. At the end of the day, both Tailor Brands and ZenBusiness can absolutely help you form a legitimate LLC successfully. The better option really depends on whether you need help building a business identity or managing a business business entity. Forming your LLC is one of the smartest early steps that you can take if your side hustle is starting to generate real income. Both of these platforms can get the job done, and both links are in the description if you want to go ahead and compare them directly yourself. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you form, manage, and understand your LLC with simple, honest guidance at every step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.